What if the only thing standing between you and your fullest potential is a silent, inner critic whispering, "You don't deserve this"? For leaders everywhere, imposter syndrome is more than just a fleeting insecurity. It's a constant, quiet weight that can cloud even your greatest achievements. Behind closed doors, even celebrated executives admit to feeling like frauds. 70% of high achievers, perhaps including the leaders you most admire, have wrestled with these doubts. Their fear isn't about skills or credentials, but a private narrative that their success is just luck or illusion. But what separates imposter syndrome from healthy humility? It's more than being modest. It's the gnawing sense that you're always one misstep away from being found out. There are 5 common archetypes, from the perfectionist who sets unattainable standards to the superhero who feels responsible for everything. Today's relentless pressures only intensify these patterns, making genuine confidence seem unreachable. But conquering imposter feelings isn't about erasing them. It's about naming them, owning them, and shifting your inner dialogue. Start by gathering tangible evidence of your achievements, written feedback, small daily wins, milestones reached. Each piece is proof against your internal critic. And when mistakes arise, remember, setbacks are the tuition for mastery, not a sign you don't belong. True leadership thrives in authenticity. Connect with mentors who ground you. Open up to trusted peers. Vulnerability invites trust, not judgment. Lean on your team by delegating with confidence, proving that control isn't synonymous with competence. Finally, make space for these conversations within your culture. When you admit to struggles, you give permission for others to do the same. Prepare the leaders who follow you to navigate their own doubts with resilience. Leadership isn't about being fearless. It's about moving forward even when fear whispers in your ear.